Everyone, follow me! Don't stop until we reach Solitus!
It's the return of the Jedi!
They may have found a way out of Forcehold, but they cannot stand against my power. Vivian, I am the everlasting nothing!
Yes!
The moment comes. Are you prepared to destroy your own brother?
I know what I have to do.
Stormtroopers!
There's something I need to do.
Now?
We may not be the best in the galaxy, but we're all that's left. And that's gonna have to be enough.
Yes! Rebellions are built on hope!
This is the way!
I suppose we could lend a digit or two.
Let's go! You let that fuck!
I don't care if you're having fun.
Anakin?
It works every time.
Seems like everything that has transpired has done so according to our plan. Oh, come on!
We'll never get to Solitus with all these droids in the way!
May the Force be with you.
Your former friends are simply too limited to see the trap that's sprung around them.
Goliath protocol complete.
Enough of a challenge for you, is it?
Get on your little body!
You tried sending us into a dark age, but we're not going anywhere!
Be a pet and destroy your brother?
I think everything's been building to this moment.
Finish him, Dev! He means nothing to you!
The only way to save Sig was to make Solitus believe I was on his side. You don't mean nothing to me, Sig. Unfair, it's...
It's family.
I love you.
I know. I love you too, big brother.
You betray me not for power or glory, but for love.